This your cap. How much you buy?
This car at $200.
$200. Oh Jesus! People can spend money. $200. Okay, this your plot. How much?
5K.
Fi-
5K dollars. 5K dollars.
$5K. Jesus! I want to fail. This is your boy Rote Awilo. You can check me on the social media platform. Type Dorote Awilo. Like, comment, share, follow, subscribe. Remember, when preparation meets opportunity, the result always is success. Quand l'opportunité raconte la préparation, le résultat donne toujours le succès.
My name is Raphael.
This why they smile like this. Okay, this your wow. You look great, handsome great. Like your look like this. How much you spend for your look like this? Your look like this, they kill me like this. How much you spend?
Because the bag.
Oh, it cost badly. Oh God, where my own tongue go reach when I will get money? Okay, you fit tell me how much this your cloth? How much you buy?
This top at 12B.
In a year? Wow, 12 days. Next one, this your
Airpod.
yeah.
Airpod, you call a 5B
Now
airpod.
5 days, good one, bro. Wait, this your bag like this? Oh, moment I see bag, see bag. How much you get?
My bag now 15B.
15 bag. Good.
Think say
Good.
they wise.
You spend your money for a logo. No wonder. See your yes, nice one. How much you dey do your haircut?
Man, I 1B.
1 bay. Great, bro. This your trouser. How much?
20B.
20 bay. People
You
they
be
spend
mumu.
money. 20 bay. This your shoe. How much?
27B.
27. I want to be your friend. I beg. I want to be your friend. See how much you get this your friend?
Yeah, that's 650.
Wow.
You think say they wise.
How much you get?
Mumu man.
This one I best give you. I know how much you buy.
You know how much you buy?
Yeah, I know how much you
Nice
buy.
one. You try. See, this guy can spend money for you. Look like nice one. Congratulations. Thank you. You look beautiful. This your hair. How much you practice your hair? This your hair. 40,000 naira. Wow.
Sorry, oh.
Wait. How much you buy this? How much?
2,000.
2,000. Nice one. How much is this your bag? See bag.
Not mine.
Don't follow a madman who is too much.
Not mine.
It's not yours. Good. This your gun. How much you buy?
Not be juju be that.
10K. That's 60 already. Nice one. See, this your issue. How much?
5.
5,000. These are
You
the
are a mumu man.
hottest deal. Okay. This your earring with the shine like this. Camera,
Now,
come and
who I
see this
do
earring. How
that?
much?
Not for just 500.
Yes.
Okay, nice one.
Because
Okay, thank you
not
so
like
much.
them,
You really look beautiful. Nice one. Say high five to you. Okay, this is your phone. How much you buy?
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not
60.
60,000. This is actually good. Nice one. You look beautiful. Thank you for your time. Okay, you look handsome. You understand? Beautiful. I beg. I feel know the cost of your dress. The cost of your dress. No, I not my. How much you buy?
No, it's not 6,005.
6,005. Wow, that's great. This is your share lady. This one they share. How much?
4,000.
4,000 naira. People can spend money. 4,000 naira for your hand. Good. This is your phone. How much?
My phone is 96.
96,000. Oh my God. Have you afford that? I don't understand. People go carry 96,000 to buy. This is your jeans lady. How much you buy?
6,005.
Wow. Nice one. This your standard. How much?
My palm.
This your pound.
My palm is 7,005.
7,000. My guy. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. When you see handsome people like this, it's a lot of money. Imagine if you can calculate everything. This guy will be close to 200,000. Thank you. My name is Dorothy. Can I know your name?
Mayo.
Okay, see, as I look here, amazing. Dress, this your cloth. How much you buy?
This polo,
Eh,
12K.
12K. Wow, people dey spend money. 12K. This your hairstyle. How much?
I make how much I even dey make my
Will you keep quiet?
something like that. So, depends on the hairstyle.
Money you
Okay,
waka
this one
come.
at 3K. You take do am. Good. Okay, nice one. This your three quarter like this. How much?
15,
15. When you see people dress and I beg, they give people
Jesus is
chance to people
Lord.
they spend money for their local. This your standard like that. How much?
30K.
30K or more. Thank you very much, your bro. You dey spend money for your local. Thank you. Nice one. Dorothy Awilo, can I know your name?
My name is Awilo. You can call me Stainless.
Okay. When I see your look, I swear it's
Jesus is
attractive.
Lord.
This your cap. How much is that?
This back at $200.
$200. Oh Jesus! People can spend money. $200. Okay. This your cloth. How much?
5K. 5K.
5K dollars. Jesus. I want to spend. Wait. Why people they spend this money? Where did they see the money? Wait. This your bag. How much?
This bag is not too cost, just 100,000.
no.
100,000. Jesus. This your trouser lady. How much?
It's like $50.
50K dollars. I don't die. Ah! Wait. This how much you buy?
This one
Don't follow a madman who is wrong.
What? 1 million. 1 million. People they buy pound 1 million. No, you too much, guy. You too much. My name is Dorothy Awilo. Can I know your name?
Mrs. Iwekowe.
Okay, nice one. When I see your dress, like this your beautiful hair. How much you do?
Na just 10,000.
10,000 naira. Nice one. People can spend money for their look. You know when you spend money for your look and you look good. See as the madam look good. This your earring. How much?
Only earring na 5,000.
5,000. This your chain like this. How much?
This one na gift. Na my husband give.
Okay, now give it a good one. This your polo like this. How much?
Na my husband buy that one.
Okay, now husband. See you never marry. Better go and marry when your husband buy something for you. Hey, okay, this your bag. How much?
Na my husband also give.
See your husband. Oh, that's a good husband. Oh, good husband. Hey, husband. Kudo to you. You try. This your watch. How much?
Na my oga give me.
Now, God, this your husband. Oh. Okay. Now, wait your husband. Oh, good husband. See the outside there. This your husband. This how much?
Na my husband buy.
Now, husband. This your guy. If you go and tell and say you meet one comedian wey dey call Dorothy Awilo, say I give am knuckle. Say try. Thank you.